In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim cashback on Pumpfun. If you've been trading eligible cashback coins and you want to collect the rewards you've earned, the most important thing to know is that this process needs to be done through the official Pumpfun mobile app. So before anything else, make sure you're using the real app and not a third-party site or unofficial tool. Once you have the Pumpfun mobile app installed, open it and sign in to your account. If you trade using a separate wallet, you'll need to import your trading wallet into the app so the platform can recognize your activity and show any rewards connected to that wallet. This part is important because your cashback is tied to the wallet you used for trading. If you open the app with the wrong wallet, your rewards may not appear. After you're signed in, look for the rewards section inside the app. This is where Pumpfun displays cashback and reward balances that have been accumulated from trading eligible cashback coins. The rewards area is the key place for this process, so if you're trying to claim cashback and don't see anything yet, double check that you're in the correct section and that you imported the correct trading wallet. Inside the rewards section, you should be able to view any available cashback that is built up from your trading activity. If rewards are available, follow the in-app option to claim them. Since app layouts can change over time, the exact button placement may look slightly different depending on the version you're using, but the claim action will be found within that rewards area. A helpful tip here is to make sure the app is fully updated before you begin. If something looks different from what you expected, or if the rewards section doesn't appear right away, updating the app and reopening it can often help. It's also a good idea to give the app a moment to sync after importing your wallet, especially if you've traded recently. One more thing to keep in mind is that cashback only applies to specific eligible coins. So not every trade will necessarily generate rewards. If you believe you should have cashback available, check that your trades were made on supported cashback coins and through the wallet you connected. That's all you need to do. Use the official Pumpfun mobile app, sign in or import your trading wallet, head to the rewards section, and claim any available cashback shown there.